हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो आज की वीडियो एक मेकअप चैलेंज वीडियो होने वाली है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ माय लेफ्ट हैंड फॉर डूइंग माय फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप टुडे। सो लेट्स सी ये मेकअप लुक कैसा जाता है एंड मुझसे कुछ गलतियाँ होती हैं या नहीं होती हैं। सो नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर रिड्यू लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज वीडियो. So guys, now to prime my face I am using this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation and it is in the variant matte. So I want my base to be matte, that's why I am using this primer. And now I am just going to take it at the back of my hand and apply it all over with my left hand only. So guys, it is so unusual to apply makeup with your left hand. I am feeling very odd right now. So guys, I have applied the primer nicely and you can see my base is quite matte now. Okay guys, so now for the base I am using this Lakme CC cream. Shade and prices will be mentioned here. So now I am going to apply it all over my face with my left hand. To be very honest, it is not as difficult as it seems to apply the cream with the left hand. So guys, now I'm going to blend the cream with using a beauty blender. So guys, I am done blending my CC cream and yeah, my hand is tired now. And can you imagine, CC cream लगाने में तो tired हो गए, पता नहीं full face makeup कैसे होने वाला है. So yeah, I think I have done a good job in blending my CC cream. Now let's just move on to concealer. Now guys, for concealer I am using this Swiss Beauty's concealer. It is in the shade 04. So yeah, now I'm going to just apply it using my left hand only. Now guys, with the help of a brush I am going to start blending this concealer in. So it is not as difficult as it seems, but yeah, it is difficult to be very honest. You can see the coverage of this concealer. I just love this concealer. So guys, I think I have blended the concealer really nicely. Till now the base looks good to me. Now to set my face, I am using this Blue Heaven's Flawless Finishing Powder. It is a loose powder in the shade Dark 10, and now with the help of this one I am going to set my face. So guys, I think now it is the most difficult part, that is to fill your brows, and for that I am using this NY base brow pencil. So yeah, now I am going to fill my brows using this with my left hand. So guys, I think I did a nice job in filling my brows. I think I am acing this challenge, but not to be overconfident. Now let's start with eye makeup, and for that I am using this bronzer by Sugar and using this shade as my transition shade. Guys, now I am taking this NY base Blinken eyeshadow in the shade Brooklyn 6. This is a nice gold bronze color, foil color. So I am going to take it with the help of my fingers and just apply it on the center of my lids. So guys, I love the way my eyelid looks right now. So now I am using this NY Bay, the big apple of my eye kohl, to just use it as an eyeliner, and I am going to smudge it with the help of a smudger brush to give that smoked out look. Now guys, taking a smudger brush and just smudging it out. So guys, now the eye looks beautiful. So guys, now I am taking the same bronzer shade and applying it on my lower lash line. So guys, now for mascara I am using this the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara and coat my lashes generously with the help of this mascara. You need to be careful while applying the mascara so that you don't poke your eyes with it. So guys, I have applied mascara here and here. You can see this is the first mistake of this challenge. So guys, I have cleared the mascara where it was applied by mistake. Now I'm going to take this same sugar bronzer and just bronze up my face a bit. So guys, now for blush I am taking this Wet n Wild's Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. So the packaging of this one has changed a bit, but I have the one with old packaging, so I'm gonna use it. So guys, now for highlighter I am using this Wet n Wild's highlighter. It is in the shade Precious Petals. So yeah, now I'm going to just highlight my face. So guys, now moving on to lips, I am using a lip gloss today. This is by Teen and it is their lip gloss in the shade 12. So yeah, now I am going to apply this one. So guys, now to set my face, I am using this 20 somethings makeup fixer. So guys, this is the final finished look and it is my type of look. I am vibing with it so much because it is the type of look that I can do to a wedding or on Raksha Bandhan as well because it is around the corner. So yeah, I enjoyed it thoroughly and I hope you so do. And yeah, if you like the video, if you want to see some more challenges, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, like the video, subscribe to my channel and see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.